Hello and welcome once again aboard JulieCity. How are you keeping? Hope you're keeping well and safe. Thank you for clicking to watch today's video. You are highly appreciated. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing the first accommodation I had on arrival to one of the English Channel Islands. It is a 4-floor house, well furnished and suited the purpose. Initially, I didn't want to share, but on arrival, there were just the two of us in the 4th floor building. So it was quite convenient. The kitchen was well stocked, which is always my main thing in any accommodation. The bedroom was clean and there was ensuite. In fact, I won't be talking too much. I'll just let you watch.
my God, I'm sweating badly. It's so warm. It's 30.5 degrees, and I just had to do a 10 minutes walk with two of my suitcases to find the place. Because if I had to wait at the hospital, where accommodation place in the hospital, I had to wait another 25 minutes. I'm thirsty, I'm tired, so I just thought I would leg it. So I'm glad I'm here now in one piece. So I'll see what the adventure brings. I hope it's a nice place to walk, and I will surely keep you posted. See you later.
I spent 2 weeks in this accommodation. It took me about 15 minutes walk from the accommodation to the hospital every day, to and fro. So it was nice. I arrived at the peak of summer, so it was really, really enjoyable walking to and fro from work, because it was bright when I went in to work and it was bright when I left home. So yeah, I really did enjoy. Anyway, I would gladly love to hear from you in the comment section. Have you subscribed? If you have not, this is the time to do so. Go on, click on that red subscribe button below and the notification bell. That's where you get notifications for all my uploads and you won't miss a thing. Till I see you next time, don't forget, your health is your wealth. By the way, the links you will require to watch other informative videos are popping up. You can click on one of them. I'll also have it in the description box below.